Sorry, it doesn't automatically record anymore. Okay, we've got a bit of resistance here for the uptrend. They're like starting to come back down slightly. Stock lines coming through the orange resistance. MACD is getting a little bit weaker. I want to see when the next candle starts. Right, is it going to give me a weak candle on this? It does seem to be weak, relatively weak, and it's sat there at the moment. Sat there at the moment. Okay, let's see how long it sits. I'm going to see how long this will sit for before it comes back down. Didn't sit there for long. Okay, if you're going to enter this, and again, another entry on it would have been 137 at the moment because it's coming back to that point. It's not really coming back, not really doing much on the uptrend. Got a bit of a pullback, a bit of a bounce back on this one. You can see it's pretty weak candle, leading me to believe that price might actually start coming down. If you look at the 1 minute, this may well be this is going to be a bounce back. Hopefully trend will change direction after this candle, for the 1 minute candle. Let's wait for that 5 minutes. If you did manage to hit a trade on this coming back down for a put, remember I'm going to do 3 minutes with the JPY for more stability. And it does look like it's coming back down. So if you have taken a trade on this one, at the moment, it would be winning on this, going in for a 3 minute sell with the JPY. Obviously, sort of like minute 50 left on it, but it does look like it's starting to push down a little bit. Checking out technicals, 5 minutes, they're saying buy, I want to say buy, okay, so some neutral on that. Okay, that's absolutely fine. Let me just check the currency strength 1 sec. JPY has actually got a little bit stronger. Okay, this might actually just be a little quick pullback. Wasn't expecting a pullback like that. Okay, interesting. That's interesting, that one. Okay. Okay, it's holding price. It's holding price. That was my 3 second mark. It's actually held at this price. It's come back down. To the 5 minute one. Okay. Shouldn't really do a great deal here because the area is here. It's trying not to reach that area. Try not to reach it. So it has had a bounce. It's had twice now. It's bounced from that price. Welcome, Sonia. Sorry, I didn't see you come in there. Welcome. Okay, we're getting a bit of a bounce back here. JPY has gone a little bit stronger here. Everyone set on that. Okay, not really working with anything. Not just USD, and that's not even at that time yet. I'm really surprised it's come back to that area, but it looks like it is going back to that area, and then hopefully bounce off that and come back down. So it's overbought. It's overbought. JPY is the strongest. Getting a bit of a bounce back now. Had a little bit of a bounce back on that last one, so that's bounced back on this target here twice now. I'm really hoping it does come back down because that's actually a pretty good candle to get a bounce back on or a pullback. It was a little bit of a. It did sort of take its time on this one. It didn't necessarily come back down straight away, but it's coming down gradually. Okay, right. So if anyone did enter this trade, obviously you're waiting for the pauses on the candle to go back the opposite way, and it seems to have done that at the moment. It went to the price twice and then came back down. So if any of you did enter the trade on this to come back down, put it in the chat box for me. Let's see what your entry points were. At the moment, I've got 3 trades on this at the moment of 179, 167, and 159. So I've got 3 trades on it at the moment. All setting up perfect, hitting this area, hitting the area around here. So if you did take a trade, just let us know in the chat. That area is actually 182 for Katie, so that's kind of. Oh wow, okay, 182. That's a better entry than what I got on my last entry. That's pretty good. 188. That's a good entry in 182. I literally have like 56 seconds left though. I don't know what your timer is at the moment. How long you've left in the trade. My first one is about to clear by the skin of its teeth. So my first entry was 159. Had a bit of a bounce back. Wasn't really expecting it. Going to clear in 3, 2, 1. That's a clearance. That cleared that one. Okay, so now it's on to the next one. 26 seconds on that. Katie, how long do you have left on that timer? Just let us know in the chat. Remember, the new candle has started. Hopefully, we start getting this. This starts pulling back down. Hit it on the 3 minute though. That was the thing. Hit it on the 3 minute, and it's still working. It's still working on this. So you hit a 182. Not that far away from the candle. Got another minute. Okay. Obviously, late entry will start doing this because obviously the new candle has just started. I cannot believe it's going back to that area. There's no, I don't understand anything. So JPY obviously lost, didn't really lose anything really. It's still the same strength. 182, 182. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. 182. Really get. Is it really going to go to that area? Seriously, that's going to go to that area. What? No way. No way. No. Bouncing now. Hang on, guys. Spare me one. That's okay. No worries. No worries. These markets are going to be weird, but we're trying our best to get as much done as possible. At the moment, you see the bounce where the area was, marked it up for you. And it's coming back down. Okay, so the area that we had was actually spot on. I was quite surprised it went back to that area because there was a lot of strength coming down on this. And then all of a sudden it went up and then come back down. So again, all they are is lessons. Markets aren't always the same every single day. I swear someone else is just coming in. Keeps pinging me up. Okay, so I don't know. Well, we watch the bounce on this candle here. Hopefully we'll just wait for a drop. Wait for the drop to come out of this candle. Let me just check the 1 minute, 1 sec. Okay, it does look like it's starting to, whatever this 1 minute chart is, it looks absolutely mental. But price is starting to come down a little bit. There you go. So like I said, it came to that area, started bouncing. If you get on this one was relatively simple from where the area was. If you look back at the support and resistance on these candles, so it bounced off that line and started coming back down. Just bear me 1 sec. I just need to refresh my camera setting because it looks all fuzzy on my screen. Bear me 1 sec. So I must be some effect of the face. I don't know. Okay, so if any of you have ended a trade on this candle, there was multiple entries on this, jumping from the area and coming back down. So many of you did take it. Well done, because you've been winning these trades at the moment. It's actually looking pretty decent. Let me just get this on video. So price is actually coming back down. I've got 8 seconds left on one trade. I've got a minute 30. I don't know why my other one was delayed, but I've pretty much waited for a better price. There is 48 seconds left on it. So that's one cleared. If you manage to clear any of these, let us know in the chat box. Because this is where the area where the trend changed direction in this area. So if the candle starts coming down now, there's going to be a consistent downtrend or a consistent bearish trend. Okay, but it's gone to that area and bounced off of it. Just let me know in the chat if you have taken one and it's coming back down for you if you're winning the trade. Okay, 27 seconds left on that, but I've got another candle to come, so hopefully nothing extreme will happen. And there's a label. Hopefully that label continues going down. Something's got to happen with this JPY because Euro it's at the price. It's at the price on the support and resistance. The areas here took 189 and clear. Well done, Kemi. That's good. At the moment, I've got a pink label coming down, but it's just sat there. Is it going to move? I think it is. Remember, the labels aren't always guaranteed. It gives you the best opportunity for that trade to move in the right direction. 70%. Okay, so there's always that 30% where the trade is going to go back the opposite way, and sometimes it does happen. Okay, so don't worry about it. The labels are there to give you the confidence to take those trades. Okay, that's why we did it for 3 minutes, just in case the trade goes back the opposite way. Then it's got a chance to come back and win the trade. But at the moment, this is winning if you took it on the label. Just judging off what the last area had given me, it bounced off that. So basically, we cleared 189 on that. Cleared 189 on that one. Kemi did. I cleared 2 on that one. On the last one, 191 and 199. So they were good. They were all good entries to take. They were going to clear. So that's absolutely perfect. And this one's sort of like it's in 2 minds whether or not this wants to move or not. But I'm trusting the fact that JPY is going to move. Yeah, JPY has now got a little bit more strength to it. But then having said that, the last one where JPY had more strength, it went back up. Sonia, well done. You cleared. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so I've got a minute 25 on this. It's managed. It seems to have just popped above the line. They gave me a bounce. They gave me a pullback on a 1 minute candle. Hopefully on this one. So 172 was my entry on this one at the label. Hopefully we're going to start seeing a little bit of resistance for the uptrend, for the candle to come back down. It's seriously thinking of hitting that area again, isn't it? It really wants to go through that area. It's touched it twice now. Touched that area twice. And the stupid thing about this is it may do exactly the same as what this candle has done. It may well hit that area. It hasn't hit it just yet. But it does seem to be coming back down. That area is killing it. So my last entry was at the line, literally at the top, at 195. Literally, it was an instant. Okay. Did I do something wrong? Okay, this is clearing. This is now clearing. I took 3 trades on this. Every time it went to a different position, I took another one, come back down, took another one, come back down. So it hit the price. It hit the price of 196, coming back down. A late entry still would have got in. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's absolutely perfect. Please, Kemi, tell me you got in on this. Come on, Kemi. Yeah, well done. That's it. You couldn't resist, could you? Love it. Easy. Okay, we've got a minute 18 left on this candle. If you did get a later entry in, hopefully it was so far away from where the candle is now, then you may be able to catch it. Another one on the next candle coming down. 2 entries. There you go. Perfect. That's all right. That's what it's all about. You can go 5-0 on 1 candle, and then that's it. You're done for the day. You know, that's how ridiculous it sounds. At the moment, my entries are at 195 and 177. 177 one wasn't great, I must admit. But the 195 one, that's absolutely caning it. 47 point clearance, 28 point clearance. So put your entries in the chat box for me, Kemi, if you can. Easy work. easy work. This one, I don't think is going to give us much hassle. This one's going to be a comfortable clearance. 191. There you go. So pretty much the same area as me. Absolutely perfect. 190 and 178 on that, going in for a sell. And look what's happened. It's absolutely gone. I love it. So whatever happens now, you've got, depending on how long you got left on the trade, I've got 8 seconds, so it doesn't really matter. It's going to clear anyway. Sonia. So I don't know what happened there. But there was another 2 entries on this. This one actually cleared on that. Kemi, let me know if you've cleared both of them. Both of it, perfect. Absolutely love it. So it doesn't seem to want to come back up to this area. So now we're in a position where we have to make a choice. Is this candle going to come back down? It's giving you uptrend rejection already. Is it going to come back down? Is that MACD finally going to start giving way and come out of the overbought area? That's the thing you got to realize. Okay, so I'm going to check the JPY, still strongest. This one's not giving me much hassle at all. It seems to be just sitting there. So again, depending on what your trading ability is, I've taken another 2 to come back down. This candle has to clear this line for the trend to change direction. Has to clear it. Has to clear this line to change direction. So 2 entries at 3 minutes. If it clears this line without any pullbacks, any trouble at all, this is going to be an absolute mega trade to take. I'm hoping. There's so much more uptrend rejection there is down. So clear that line. That's all we're aiming for, just to clear the line. And then we can watch this line. Then we watch the trail line come all the way down, and we'll take trades on the way down. Yeah, JPY hasn't changed. Still got strength pointing upwards, and 1 bar stronger than the euro. We need it to clear this line. Will it do it though? Will it do it? Will it finally give up the fight and come back down? It's how important marking your areas up, marking your support and resistance, because it's already bounced off that. So there was 2 trades there. We've taken 2 trades on this. I'm now 2 trades into this. May not clear. Doesn't really matter to me. Doesn't really matter, because I know if you know that you've traded the right way, you traded the right way and it doesn't clear. That's a lesson. It's okay. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. You have a good head for it. Well done, Sonia. Cleared another one. Absolutely perfect. Man, what is going on today? Good session this morning. Good session at the moment. So it's all good. Okay. We need this candle to clear this line. Let me just see where the 1 minute is. Okay. Stock line isn't necessarily on the 50. This could come out of the oversold and then go back in. In theory, it could do it. I'm not quite sure at the moment, because candle positions on the 1 minute are a lot stronger going up than they are coming down. So we'll wait and see on this. But at the moment, I'm clearing 2 trades on this. Took one at the top here, took one at the start. Kind of my mistake on the second one. The first one was perfect. Unfortunately, I've got an entry of 116 and 122. The 122 is fine. It's the 116 I kind of have a little bit of annoyed about. I should have just waited. But then I have to learn. You have to learn. Everyone learns. I have to clear this line. Okay, so that's the first one I cleared. That was the 116 one, I think. Yeah, 116. And at the moment, the 122 is clearing as well. 3-0 on live. Moving on to demo now. That's it. Sonia. 3-0. Well done. Perfect. Well done. Fair play to you. I love it. So basically, just mark it. So you just come on a call. 3-0 on a call. All because this area was marked up and we caught the trades coming down. That's it. It's so simple. You're up. You're up on your account. Absolutely love it. Kemi, how many have you cleared so far? You put it in the chat box for me. Just let us know. We had to wait for this one to decide whether or not it was going to go through the line or not, but there were still multiple trades to take at the top of the candle to come back down. Remember, it's already hit the area. Already hit it. This one decided to come back up, but then shot all the way down. So we got in multiple trades on that and cleared them. The But this one's having a bit of a funny moment. So we'll just wait for the next candle. 15 seconds left on it. We'll wait and see what happens. Oh, it's okay, son. Do you know what? I was kicked off my broker 5 times today on the morning call. Halfway through a trade, just kicked off. Don't worry, I understand. Oh, come on, go through that line, go through the line, go through the line. It may go, it may go. It's holding there, it's holding price. It's holding that price. This one may surprise us. Right, here we go. Please tell me, please tell me one of you took one entry on that. I would have. Oh, okay, clear. Kemi, well done. Fair play to you. Well done. That's absolutely perfect. Absolutely love it. 118 cleared. That's absolutely. What on earth? On that. That was a good entry. 118 was a good entry. I love it. So you literally took the time. You waited. You know, patience, and you took that trade. You got in. You smashed the life out of it. But with this one, I only taken one. I would only recommend taking one. Just, I don't want to over leverage the account. Literally, the account that I have at the moment is building, but that's risk management. That is risk management for you. That's what you guys have to have as well. Sonia, I know you got a good risk management as well. I mean, fair play to you. You went like 8-2 last night after the call, but you carried on trading, and you still smashed it. So you've got the results. You've got the results so far this week, and it's absolutely blinded. So this one would have been a one trade entry. I wouldn't have taken multiple on this because would have to wait for the trail line to sort of be pointing downwards, the candles to be underneath it. But it's absolutely perfect. That's all right. That's all right. Kelly, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you trade. £1 to £3 does not matter. If you take multiple trades and you're clearing all of them, even £3, you know, you're building it every single day. That's good. You've got the risk management. When you become fully confident that you know what you're doing, you know, you'll be calling that a trade for us, and, you know, you'll be in it before we do. So, you know, it's good. It's good that you've done this and you've won the trades. It's growing gradually. It doesn't matter. It's all a trading account you will not make millions overnight. This, you know, we're talking like 5 or 6, 7, maybe 7 years down the line, where your account will be huge. Same as what we're doing. We built it from 100 now up to 7,840. You know, but that's in the space of all of last year, all of this year, you know, and now building 2.0. We're clearing trades like mad. Okay, and same as you guys, you're clearing trades as well, and I absolutely love it. Do you reckon I've won this one, guys? I'm not convinced. An entry at 108. Yeah. Yeah, a 108 and 106. I think just by, you know, hang on, how many points was that? 61 points. So yeah, that was a good clearance. Okay. So at the moment it's now pushing through the trail line. I am currently 2, 4, 6, 9 and 0 already. So that's just being able to just have the confidence to take those trades. That's what you'll be doing. You'll be like, yeah, I'm going to take this. I know it's going to come back down. Bang, I'm in the trade and I'm winning it. But the trail line does come in handy. It's a very handy tool for you guys to decide whether or not the trend is going down or going back up. Because once it crosses it, it'll only go in one direction. Same as this one here. It crossed it, downtrend, crossed it, uptrend. And at the moment, it's coming back down. So in theory, we should have a downtrend or a bearish trend coming up once it's cleared this line. Oh my God, I wish I'd taken 5 or 6 on this. This is mega, this candle. I wish I'd done that. But I don't want to risk too much just in case, you know, it all went pear-shaped. But it looks like it's now starting to tank. Right, 5 minutes, everything sell, 1 minute sell. Yeah, everything's telling me it's a sell at the moment. So also, you can use technicals as well. Use the ones you're using, so 5 minutes and 1 minute candles or charts, and it'll tell you where the strength is. So we've got 20 seconds left on this. See where next candle starts. Hopefully this is where the trend starts changing direction to come back down. So it hit that area, started coming back down. So this is a good thing about marking up support and resistance. The last two, no, this one here, the main one here, that was included in that support and resistance. So was this. Everything was included. Ooh. Okay, so as it counted to 3, there it goes. Oh God, counted to 3. Literally on the 3rd second, that just moved down. So hopefully price does continue going down. I was a lot more confident on this one because it did come to a price and then hold for 3 seconds, literally on the dot. So I just taking the trades coming back down. That's what I tend. This is how we trade, and a lot of people have sort of seen it and picked it up. You know, wait when they come up, let it stop. 3 seconds, go back the opposite way. Another one goes up, and all it does, it just gives you a better price every single time. But obviously, there's like more than a 20-point gap between your first entry and second entry. I would just live with the first entry. It sort of has to go up in stages, not go at one price, then just shoot up and then take another one, come back down, because it would not be worth it, because it won't make it back to your first entry. Looking good. It's looking good. Judging why this candle moved like it did, this one did the same. It went up and came back down again. Uptrend rejection happening on that. So again, I'm at the moment currently 3 trades into this. Just by watching one stage stop, come back down. Another stage, stop, come back down. Another stage. So it was literally 3 entry points, literally one after the other, going up, then shoot back down. So if any of you did take a trade on this, hopefully at the highest point, because it did go to the highest point, which should have been around 0.005. That would have been the best entry you possibly could have got on that, because it did go to that mark and it did stop and it froze on the spot. And at the moment, I'm clearing all 3 at the moment, so it's perfect. Did any of you get in on that one? Sonia, can we get in on that one? Just one trail line, mega. That's all right, it's fine, it's fine. But as you can tell, always have to trust your instinct. Look at what happened on the previous candle. The trail line, the candle is now below the trail line. The MACD has finally given way, come back down. The stock line has come to the oversold area. JPY is the strongest. Euro has literally just dropped. So you knew that the strength was with the JPY. So now I've got no problems just sitting. At the moment, I'm clearing 83 points. That's the most I'm clearing at the moment, 83 points. But that's after every candle has gone up, stop, come down, up, stop, come down. Literally do it in stages. And it's just absolutely manic. So this is about to increase by about, hang on, I'm talking about 70% on 3 trades. So this is how good it actually is. Okay, so 1 is cleared already. It's never coming back. There's no way. If it does come back, then fair play to it. But I know that I've got 12 seconds left on another trade, which is sort of like in the middle of the highest one, and that's going to clear now. So I'm pretty confident this isn't going to go back to its original price and start coming down. And it all started with this area here. That's all it did. Marked up the area for you guys. Followed that. That cleared. This one cleared as well. This one was 3. This one was 1 trade candle because you know which way I was going to go. This one I've taken 3 on. I've cleared 2. About to clear the 3rd one. Just following that trend. The trail line is there. Came over the top. Bang! It crossed over, and now we should have a continuous bearish trend. Let's bear with it on that one. That'd have been a nice little clearance for you guys. That's absolutely perfect. That's mental. Technicals, everything's telling me sell, 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 which is exactly what we're doing. We're selling. 5 seconds left on that. Okay, 5 seconds of that. That trade actually cleared. Okay, so now. Twelve and 0 on this afternoon session. Sonia, you're 3 and 0, absolutely perfect. I don't we didn't want the losses. We had to sort. I mean, yesterday you absolutely you threw 8-2 out in the market. Literally, you was 2-2 at the end of the call, and then you carried on because you remembered where everything was going to go, and then you just chased it. That's all you did was chase those trades, and they came out. They came out good for you, Kemi. Oh, okay. Sonia's 8-0. Okay, Roger that. Oh my days. Okay. Perfect. See, it's all about practice. That's all it is. Practice makes perfect. Just following that trail line. This is what gave it away. The trail line. It bounced off the area. Anyone could put the area up because you just got to look at where last price dropped, which is this area here. Produced this candle. We used that area, took a trade, come back down. Nicely done. This was 3 trades on this. This one was in and out of the strength. Didn't know whether it was going to drop or go up, but this one crossed it. Oh my days, Sonia, it's perfect. I love it. Wow, that's absolutely incredible. So 3-0 and 5-0 demo. So again, imagine if that was 8-0 in your live. You did well. 3-0, 3-0 on live. Bearing in mind, you just jumped on, okay? But you knew where to take the trades. The area had already cleared. It come back down, and you was winning the trades. You already knew. You jumped straight on it. Bang. All right. That's absolutely perfect. Kemi, what was your results so far? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at your results. I know that Sonia is 3-0 on live and 5-0 on demo. It's all about following this trail line because at the moment, if you look, it's just pointing down and there's not really much happening on the bullish candles. That's cool. Yeah, check it now. Check it now. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. See how you're getting on. Obviously, you're trading £1 to £3. That's not the end of the world. Sometimes I do that. Just in case I'm not too sure about a trade, I'll just lower it all the way down to the minimum, and then take it from there. I mean, you cleared quite a few on this call. You cleared quite a few on this call, so there must be a pretty good number on there. Absolutely perfect. Because now that now we're sort of like coming towards the end of the call, I'm at 12-0. I don't really want to mess that up. So what we'll do is we'll come away from it because Sonia, you've won 3-0 on live, 5-0 on demo. Just trying to see what Kemi's results are. 6-2. Again, so we've all had a good session. 6-2 is an absolutely perfect session. That's the 2 losses. Don't worry about it. They're lessons. Okay, don't worry about it too much. Being able to mark up your area, which if the chart does go back into a bullish trend, this area is probably going to be the correct one. Yeah, so it's probably going to more than likely go back up because it's been bullish and bearish all day. So well done to Kemi, well done to Sonia, absolutely perfect. Yeah, I think we'll stop trading now because you've done well. Don't want to mess up your results, but if you are going to continue on trading after the call, JPY has gotten a lot stronger. We've got more bars on JPY than the euro. Chef JPY is always set up to be a good one because obviously there's no strength in the share. As you can tell, it's coming down a bearish trend. It's coming back down. So again, Chef JPY is good. AUD JPY, Euro JPY, they're all good. They're all good. Okay, so well played to you both. I think that's all good. Honestly, I think that's amazing. I absolutely love it. Yeah. That's it. You've got to have the results. But you also got to have the confidence to take those trades. Make sure that you are 100% confident in just pressing that button. That's all it is. You press the button. But you got to be 100%, accurate. You got to be in your mind. You have to be 100% ready for that trade. Okay. So if you're not sure, if you're 75, 50%, don't take it. Don't take it. Or if you do, risk less on your account. If you're doing £3 trades, drop it to 1. You only lost £1 rather than losing the whole £3. So that's how it works. We have to compound. That's why we do 1 to 3% rather than doing, I'm going to trade what I won the last trade. It doesn't work like that. It will not work in you. So if I put £50 in and won 100 and got 120, I'm not going to put 120 back in because my next trade should be £51. Does that make sense? And doing 3% a day, by the end of the year, starting from £100 account, you're looking at £21,000 in your trading account. If you're doing 3%, just one trade on our call will give you that at the end of the year. From start to finish, that was what will give you in your trading account balance. So imagine that in come December, when you've got Christmas to pay for, presents, everything, or you can go on holiday, buy a new car. But imagine if one trade on our session at 3% from £100 account will give you 21,000. I think it's £21,220 by the end of the year. Okay, so that's pretty mental, isn't it? That's pretty mental how that is actually going to work out, because you're trading more of your balance every single day, but you're not trading all of it. You're trading only 3% of it. So it's all good. It's all good on that. Yeah. So it was good results for everyone. I absolutely appreciate you guys coming on. We'll leave a message about Ali tomorrow. He had to pull out today because he's going to get documents or something from, like, I don't know, the town hall over there. So I don't know. But yeah, I'll message him. If anything changes, we'll put it in Discord. But 11:30 and 5 p.m. tomorrow, we're back on our session. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and we shall see you tomorrow at 11:30 or 5 p.m. Okay? No worries. No worries, Cammy. See you later, Sonia. I appreciate you guys. See you later.